Hi all, in this video I'm going to share you guys a tutorial to access your PC files on your Android device wirelessly. By following this method, you can access and transfer all your PC files to your Android device wirelessly. For this to work, your Android device and your PC should be connected to same network. Your PC can be connected via LAN connection. They don't need to be on same Wi-Fi, but they should be on the same network. So let's jump into this tutorial. On your PC, head over to settings, and then network and internet, and from the network connection, change the network to private network. That's recommended for this because it will make this whole procedure more safer. After that, head over to the network and internet again, then advanced network settings, advanced sharing settings, and on the private network section enable the network discovery and file and printer sharing option, and from the all network settings enable the password protected sharing. After this, we need to enable sharing option for the folders, and the thing to notice that only the files or folder that you enabled sharing will be accessible on your phone. So you need to enable the sharing option. For that, choose the folder that you like to share. I'm going to share this new folder. So to share this, right click that folder and choose properties. Then head over to sharing. Then from the network file and folder sharing, choose share option. On the dialog box, in the name section, you can see the user account, and on the permission section, you can see the permission level. The user account, we need that details to access the files on our smartphone, and the permission level is also important because if you set it to read only, then you can only read the files on your smartphone. If you set it to read and write, you can access all the files as well as edit those files on your smartphone. So after this, just press share option, then press done, then head over to your phone. To access files on your Android device, you need Solid Explorer. You can use other Explorer application, but I prefer Solid Explorer. So open the Explorer, then from the Solid Explorer, bottom right corner you can see the plus icon, choose that, and from there choose new cloud connection, then choose the LAN/SMB option. Then from the server detail is going to show your PC, so select that, then press next. From the username and password option, type the user account of your PC and the password. For me, I use my Microsoft account, so I'm going to type in my Microsoft username and password on this section. After that, press next, then set advanced to no, press next, then press connect. It's going to connect, then choose finish, and it's going to show all the available folders that you enable sharing. Then you can see all the files from there. As we have set this to read and write, we can do all sort of things from our phone. We can copy the files, we can rename the files, we can move, delete, and do all sort of things from here. That's it. That's how you can access and transfer your PC files on your Android device. That's all about this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.